Hi, I'm Anita. Today I'm going to teach you fractions. There are two types of fractions, like and unlike. The fractions with same denominator are called like fractions. For example, 4 over 5, 3 over 5, negative 2 over 5. All these are like fractions. And the fractions with different denominators are called unlike fractions. For example, 2 over 3, 4 over 5, 1 over 8, negative 2 over 7, and so on. Now, addition of like fractions. In addition of like fractions, as the denominators are same, we have to just add the numerators. For example, 4 over 5 plus 3 over 5. Now here both the denominators are same, so add the numerators keeping the denominator same. So 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 over 5 is the answer. If I'll take another example as 2 over 3 plus 1 over 3, same denominators, so just add the numerators keeping the denominator common. So it will be 3 over 3. Now we can write this fraction in lowest form as 3 over 3, which is nothing but 1 over 1 means 1. Now addition of unlike fractions. In unlike fractions, we know that the denominators are different. So for example, I am taking 4 over 12 plus 3 over 4. Now here the denominators are different, so we have to find the LCM, that is least common multiples of denominator. LCM of 12 and 4. So we have to find the LCM of 12 and 4 using prime factorization method. So 2, again I am taking 2, so it will be 3 and 1, 3, 1 and 1. So LCM of 12 and 4 is 2 times 2 times 3, which is 12. Now after getting the LCM, we have to make the denominators same as that of LCM. So I am multiplying here by 1, here by 1, here by 3, here by 3. So my new fractions will be 4 over 12 plus 9 over 12. Now these are like fractions, so just add the numerators. So 4 over 9 over 12, so it will be 13 over 12. Now I am taking another example. Suppose it is 2 over 3 plus 1 over 2. Now see, here the denominators are prime numbers, so LCM will be the product of two numbers. So LCM of denominators will be 3 times 2, which is 6. Now I'll make the denominator same as that of LCM. So I'll multiply here by 2, here by 2, here by 3, here by 3. So my new fractions are 4 over 6 plus 3 over 6. Now add the numerators. So 4 plus 3 over 6. So our answer will be 7 over 6. Thank you.